Hi guys, I will show you how to make this. Let's start. First of all, you need an origami. Fold like this and be careful. Make sure it all symmetric. Okay? It will make your work more easy. Into the next step. Okay, it's good enough. Now, next step, fold like this. Watch. I think it's good. Okay. Next step is just to fold like this. Yeah. Okay, it's good and looks it's pretty symmetric. Now we entering the trickiest part. Be careful, your origami paper is pretty hard to fold. Okay, let's do it the trickiest part. Bring this side up and push until it touch the edge. I think I'm doing it good now. Flip it to the back and do the same. Watch again the trickiest part. I'll zoom it so you can see clear how to push this into the edge. Like you can see. Nah, okay. I think you're doing good. Great. Now we will making the tail. Okay, so watch. I think I'm a little bit wrong. This is the trickiest part. You have to push the right side, left side, so it can be fold like this. Okay, we're done, but this is, I think, the first model. We will making the second one, the good one, because it has body. Now we're entering the final look. Just fold like this and jang, our bird is done. I think this bird is ready to fly. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.